Welcome to the instructions video for the Frequency of Light Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you calculate the relationship between wavelength, frequency, and photon energy of electromagnetic radiation, from radio waves all the way to gamma rays. To use this calculator, start by selecting what you want to calculate, either wavelength, frequency, or photon energy. Then enter the known values in the appropriate input fields. For example, let's calculate the frequency of green light. Enter a wavelength of 500 nanometers in the wavelength field. Make sure to select the correct units from the drop-down menu. The calculator uses the fundamental equation relating the speed of light to wavelength and frequency. Once you've entered your values, click the Calculate button. The results will show you the corresponding frequency in hertz and the photon energy in both joules and electron volts. You can also work backwards. Enter a frequency to find the wavelength. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.